Hello guys, so today I want to talk about this Honda WL30XY. So this is a water pump, but we decided to use it for pumping light manure. We needed something to pump light manure with the limited budget we had, so we chose the Honda because it has a fairly good reputation and it can hold up until that project is finished. So here in Kenya, I don't know if you can see the pricing. It's at 35,000, which is fairly cheap. If you put that in US dollars, you'll have 350 US dollars. So basically, this is the outlet. As you can see, a bit of light manure, and the inlet is on this other side. The fuel cap is over here. So before you start the engine, the water pump, you also have to put some water over here. Oh, it's so tight. All the manure. I told you guys we were abusing this a little bit. It needs something hard to copy, but before you start the water pump, you have to put some water in here. When you are starting the engine, the water pump, you have to turn this on. Usually when you're done pumping, you put it on off. Then when you're turning it on, you put that first on. Then you come over here. This is your fuel gauge. You turn that on. As you can see, the indicator here shows you turn it on, so you turn that on. Then depending on whether the engine is hot or cold, use your this throttle here to make that changes whether it's hot or cold. Then here's your gauge. So normally you put that, say, a third of the way up to somewhere there to get the fuel flowing into the engine. Then you can come here, start pumping, start pushing this until the engine starts. Sadly, I won't be doing that today. The pipes had a little bit of a crack, so those are being fixed right now. So hopefully if they'll be fixed soon, I'll be able to do a video with it, turning it on. And yeah, hope it helps. Thank you.